Come on, squeeze. Nice. Right, we are gonna full bet. Alright, let's go. Oh my word. We might just have a couple of random cards that are live. Because ideally you like to run into aces. Wow. That's extreme bad luck, chart. Defend 6-8. Checks through. We lose to pocket nines, but we can fold out / get value from a lot of high card hands, like ace king, king queen. Queen jack, I guess, would be the most likely candidate. Right, we're going to have to check the side this river. Nice. I think the king's a lot better than if it was a queen or a jack. Yeah, and that's what I mean. Queen jack's probably the most likely holding. So yeah, if it was a queen or a jack, we're going to be check folding. We're going to be calling at least once, maybe twice if we improve on the turn. Like that. I don't think we have many bluffs in our range if we do decide to raise this turn. So I think the best way to max value is to just call and then just pray for a brick river. Not quite a brick river, as you could have ace-x diamonds, but not for this sizing. But I think if we raise, we're over-repping our hand. So I think calling is the best option. Nice. We're going to see that. We're going to shove now because we need to balance our ace kings and ace queens spot, and we're going to use kings to do it. Nice. So yeah, so he'd be right a certain portion of the time there when we do have when he does find the ace king, ace queen. We're going to make it 5x, being out of position, and we're going to see bet. See if we can target his ace queen, and so it's not a great card. He does have a lot of he does have some queen jack suited, but he also does have queen x of hearts, which I think would be able to continue versus this sizing. Size to shove. I don't think this player would make this play with 10-9 of hearts, or even king queen of hearts, or ace queen of hearts. I think they would just always just call. So for that reason, I think this has to be a fold now. When we bet this big, our opponent shoves. It's just nutted. So yeah, nice hand. Fortunate for us. Here we 3-bet ace 10 suited, and we're going to c-bet. And it's likely we're going to triple it off here in this spot. Right, so here comes the DOS. I think on this river, we're going to shove. We gave him the trez. Nice. For that sizing that I shows on the turn, is he really just calling for a flush draw? So yeah, you need DOS trez. So let's look at this hand here. Start with c-bet. On this turn card, I think I like double barreling. And now we just check the side. Running out of time. Does have a random king somehow. Nice hand, I guess. Yeah, we ran out of time there. We had to make a hasty decision. We're going to take a free card. Alright, we need to pray for no club on the river. we're going to go for a chunky bet here. Have to try to bluff and represent the queen. So we use flushes to balance. Nice. We had a top pair. C bet. That's in a massive raise. I think he's weighting more towards draws rather than queen x here. So for that reason, shove. Boom. Yeah, I mean that raise size is just like I'm committing myself onto your cards. So I don't think queen x hands play like that. Okay, and we've made first FT. Oh yeah, let's go, guys. Alright, we're going to call once. And on this turn card, we're going to call twice. He's not trying to get me to fold a king here. I don't think he's thin value betting like queen. Nice hand. Tough spot. So we've opened ace queen. We see a 3-bet. And we're just going to be ripping it in his eye. Luck. Yeah, he's going to be 3-betting quite wide there, so we're going to be jamming wider as well. Here we're going to be c-betting. One of the worst turn cards really for our hand. His worst queen x hands are going to be checking back. They're not going to be calling river bet, so we can only really get value from ace 9 suited. I think jamming here would be over-repping our hand, so we're just going to call. Or we could just have a bluff there. Above average flop. We're going to check raise here. And we're going to double barrel here for a large sizing. As we would with our backdoor club draws. And now we just have a straightforward jam. Luck. Nice. Alright, so we see our first knockout. Meanwhile, we see another all-in and a call here. And that's knockout number 2. Right, so that's another elimination. Here we're going to ISO the ace jack. Right, nice hands. Ace 6 suited is going to be a jam here. Alright, luck. Right, we need some help here. No, that's not it. Alright, GG 33 bounty hunter. Right, we're going to 3-bet here. Snap call. Nice. Boom. Set up there. In our favour this time. And now in the money. Right, guys. We've made our second FT today. Right, good luck, chat. Right, come on. Oh. Oh man, that's so annoying. We're just all in here. King 9. Nice. Right, so let's move back to the 22 deep stack. We're gonna check back, call the turn. I think we're up against ace jack here, so we are going to target that hand. Nice, got ace jack. So that check on the flop there earned us those 2 bets on the turn and the river. Right, this guy can have quite a wide range in this spot. I think for that reason we are going to call off. Come on. Alright, nice. So I think that's our third cash, third final table. Right, so we need to see a 4 or a 5. Right, that'll get the job done. Alright, GG Dradusen. We're now down to the last 6. I'm actually quite boring and I like to just invest my money. But if I try to, let's just see, got an order call here. Okay, cool, got another knockout. Potentially another shove spot here, which we're going to take. Right, we got called by Jack High. Boom, come on. Wow, Jack High. Right, just lost 2 players, I think. Sorry, I think we just missed it because we're on the other, we're on the 33 deep stack FT. So down to the last 3 there. And we are still 5-handed in the 33 deep stack. Likely have the best hand here, so we are going to limp stat. We're going to bet twice. Now we just check back. Oh wow, did check an ace. Nice hand. Alright, so we've got queens and 22 bounty, queens 33 deep stack. So here we're going to min raise, here we are going to min raise. It's a pretty dangerous board there for queens. But not one that we're going to be scared to get it all in. Right, so we've got called there and we've got our c-bet called here as well. So I think we're going to bet twice here. Here we're just going to have to call off. He gets there on the river. So GG 22 bounty. Yeah, we've been put all in as well, which we're not folding. He's got the jack. Oh! Right, let's hope he folds. Good, so we have the shove spot. Good luck. Already flipping. Not quite. Oh, come on, Barry! Alright. GG 55 bounty. I'm scared with queens now. Are we gonna bust out again with queens? No! Right, we're not re-entering. Alright, this is a shove. Right, any big card? No. Alright. GG 22 deep stack. Right guys, that was our last tournament. Yeah, despite it being quite an unlucky session, we did actually still make some profit today. So thanks for joining everyone, and yeah, I'll look to stream next week. So hope you'll be able to join me then. Alright guys, take care. Peace.